Hi, I'm Kep Kepner CPA here in Dallas. This is the next in a series about converting from an I business, which is a business centered around you, the owner, to a business that is more like an asset that you could sell, that has value separate from you as the owner. So after you have a strong financial footprint or foundation, and after you've set a target, the next thing you have to do is you have to document. Think about it. How can you turn over operations or sales in your business to somebody if you haven't documented what they're supposed to do? I'm not talking about a job description. I'm talking about defining the things that need to be done so you can give those to somebody else and let them do it. That somebody else could be a partner, that somebody else could be an administrative assistant, that partner could be an engineer who's going to build your product, that documentation could be for a salesperson who knows how to price your product and how to make promises that you can complete when you deliver. So it's about documenting, because until you document it, it's all in your head and you're the only one that knows how to do it. Do you think that a big company is going to wash up and go away just because some salesman leaves? Even if it's the best salesman in the company, that's not going to happen, because what that salesman's job is and how they perform it is documented so that other people can learn how to do it also. The next thing you do is you learn how to measure. You have to measure performance within your company. This can be as simple as measuring your total sales compared to your target. That's one thing that everybody should do. Let's say that you decide you want your target to be to do $300,000 next year, and this year you're doing $100,000. Okay, so now we're halfway into the year, and instead of doing $150,000, which would be halfway, you've only done $50,000. Well, you're going to ask yourself a lot different questions, or if we're your CPA, we're going to be asking you a lot different questions rather than just, well, how you doing this year? We're going to ask you, have you measured your sales? Yeah, I'm running way behind my target. Well, what made you think that target was the right target? Why can't you deliver that much in sales? What have you not done that you should have done to meet those targets? So you have to measure to answer those questions. In today's world, the modern word is metrics. But what metrics really means is measuring, and then using what you learn from measuring to make better business decisions, either knowing more about your customer or knowing more about how you operate. So that's the next step in taking an I business and turning it into a business that grows in value without you having to be there every day. If you want help with this, give us a call.